Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your web camera isn't working in Google Meet on LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So first of all, you have to check your device's security shutter. Maybe you forgot to open it, and that's the entire issue. But if you are sure that it is opened and your camera still isn't working, then instead let's open the control center. Let's go to settings from here. After that, we're gonna have to go to privacy and security menu, then go to privacy controls, check your camera access, make sure that it's enabled globally, and then check your Google Meet application, and next to it switch the toggle on to let it use your camera. Unfortunately, I don't have Google Meet on the apps list. But that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.